One of the lesser-known dwarf demons in Serbia is Malik. Malik is considered to be the house's helpful spirit, and was often imagined to bring money to the household. It was believed that whoever had Malik in the household had a lot of money. It was believed that Malik originates from an egg hatched by a 9-year-old rooster, and that egg is carried under the armpit for 40 days. And from that egg, Malik will hatch, or that it could be bought in a certain pharmacy in a bottle. But afterwards, the customer was not allowed to look back and should go straight home. Otherwise, Malik would disappear. Malik imagined himself to be a small, from the size of a thumb to the size of a child. He is imagined to have trousers and he had to wear a red cap. This household servant devil is able to fulfill all the wishes and requests of his master, and the master must be good to him and feed him well. Poles know about Macić, and they believed that everything they eat and drink must be given to Macić, and he will fulfill their every wish in return. But if they get bored, it was considered that they should kill Macić, because it was believed that their luck would turn upside down. Malik is most likely of Germanic origin, and that Germanic people have their homely helpful spirits. Germans know it by the name Hausgeist and Dienstgeist. This mythological being has been called Kobold since the 13th century. In England, he was called a good fellow. In addition to Malik, there is also a similar mythological being called Matsvalic, and his specification is related to work in the mine. It is said that a miner, too tired from work, fell asleep in a mine, and when he woke up, not knowing where he was, he told the story of seeing Matsmolic. I hope you'll enjoy this video. Goodbye and see you in the next one.